Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Windows Subsystem for Linux on Microsoft Windows 10. So let's get started. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the bell icon if you'd like to be notified for videos I publish. So let's get started. Here you can see this is Windows 10 Pro. And to enable Windows Subsystem for Linux, you simply go to Start menu, click on the Start menu, and then turn Windows features on and off. So look for this from Control Panel or from this Start menu, which is very easy from Windows 10 if you have Windows 10. Obviously, this is for Windows 10. Now here you can see, simply go ahead and scroll down at the very bottom. It says Windows Subsystem for Linux, so go ahead and check this box, hit OK. Okay, so check this box, hit OK, and you are done. Go ahead and install Ubuntu, whatever Linux distro you want, and you will be able to install it on your system. So simply go to Windows Store and look for, so simply type Windows Store. Microsoft Store, my bad, and look for whatever. So let's say I want to install Debian. So I simply go ahead and search for Debian, Ubuntu, whatever subsystem you're looking for, and you can go ahead and install it. Here is the Debian. It's loading a bit slower, so now go ahead and click install, and you should have no issue downloading and installing Subsystem on your Microsoft Windows 10. Now once you have enabled this from Windows features on and off window. If you have any issue, please leave in the comment below. I'll try to answer it ASAP. Thank you so much. Bye for now.